This is Josh from Naples Motorsports. Just want to welcome everybody into the repair facility where we work back here on all the customer vehicles. We got Kevin back here doing an annual service with some updates. We do a lot of Emira work. We do have some out-of-town guests coming in for some in-depth repairs on the engine systems on these. We do offer towing. We do have a flatbed and an enclosed trailer to accommodate if you can't bring the vehicle down yourself. Obviously, we got some other Emiras in here. We're doing some pre-delivery inspections on them, getting them ready to deliver them to the customers. We have Oscar back here doing an in-depth electrical diagnosis on one back here with the front bumper off. He's checking some circuits for us. Obviously, we do from Lotus, McLaren, Ferrari, Lamborghini, anything in between, we can definitely take care of for you here at the service center. We're fully equipped to work on any type of make and model. Thank you for taking the tour today of our repair facility. If you would like to inquire about having service done on your vehicle, feel free to go to the Naples Motorsports website and do the drop down for service, and you can schedule in there for us.